We have a Amana washer model w10740545a, and it will not fill. The sensor light just keeps flashing?
First, the sensing light blinking only means that you have an error. It does not indicate that the problem is with your lid lock assembly. So I just want to start by saying if I was in your house, I'd go through diagnostics and see what error code you're getting, but I've tried to explain how to do this to many people and for some reason they just can't get the sequence to work. So by far, the most likely thing that will cause this issue is your actuator failing or possibly your drain pump being clogged up. Both the drain pump and the actuator motor are located below the tub, and if you're wondering, the actuator is the part that switches the shifter next to the motor. You'll want to first check the drain pump, so unplug the washer and tip the unit backwards a bit so you can get underneath. Follow the drain hose to locate the drain pump under the tub, and you'll want to remove as much water out of the tub as you can because whatever is left inside will come pouring out once you remove the drain pump. Have a wet vac or lots of towels ready to soak up the water that comes out. Check for a blockage and remove anything inside the pump that you find. Put everything back together and try the washer again. If you still get the same problem, onto the actuator we go. To access the actuator you need to unplug the washer, tip the washer backwards, and remove the 2 screws going into the plastic cover near the back left corner. That will allow you to access the motor and the actuator to the right of the motor. Remove the screws going into the actuator and replace the actuator. Below is a link to the part you'd need to order for your model. Click here for part as well as video at bottom of link that shows you how to replace the part. Now, if you wanted to give it a shot and see if you can pull up an error code, here is the sequence you'll need to go through to display the error code. 1. Be sure the washer is in standby mode, plugged in with all indicators off. Press and hold the start/cancel button for 3 seconds to turn everything off. 2. Perform the following sequence of movement using the cycle selector knob. Note: after reset, sequence A through E must be completed within 6 seconds. Reset: rotate cycle selector knob counterclockwise to clear sequence. A. Rotate cycle selector knob counterclockwise 1 click and wait half a second. B. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. C. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. D. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. E. Rotate cycle selector knob counterclockwise 1 click and wait half a second. F. Rotate cycle selector knob clockwise 1 click and wait half a second. Now you are in diagnostics. Turn the knob until just the done LED is illuminated. Push start. Now turn the dial 1 click and now the error code is displayed in the form of LEDs along the progress line. Just note which lights appear and let me know and I can tell you what error you're getting. There will be 2 sets of lights that appear and I need both sets to know what error you're getting. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.